Assumption College of Davao, JP Tomato Avenue, Davao City, Philippines, signed by yours. Kinsa ang naka-iPhone full day? Kinsa? You will use that one later. Natatawagan dito lang din ako sa... Okay, this certificate is awarded to... Hindi ito naka-link siya from least to greatest or greatest to least. Basta kayo link tatawagan ang top 3. Okay, we have Raymond S. Corazo. Ian F. Pilapil. Archil M. Liamido. Ashley Nicole S. Sevillano. Pamela Joyce A. Montigo. Loren D. Hipulan. Those are the passers, and let's award the top 3 in the midterm examination of GEDS. We have Miss Chorizel B. Diazis, John Lord G. Bagas. Those are the top 3. Let's proceed to top 2. The second round for the midterm examination in GEDS. We have Prisha Pauline Lacker, Marjorie R. Arkil. Okay, this is our top 1 pala. Top 1 to